Well, good morning everybody and welcome back, or welcome if you're new. So I just wanted to start out, as you can see by the title of this video, I am going to be going car camping today. But before we head out on the adventure, last week I had a video showing me starting my indoor garden. And I just wanted to update you on how it's looking so far. So, the microgreens obviously only take about 7 to 10 days to be ready to harvest, and it has been 6 days, and they are looking real good. So, let me show you those, and also the other ones that I have are starting to sprout, and I might need to repot them soon, so that's exciting. But yeah, I just have them growing inside here with this little grow lamp I have on my desk, and I've just been spraying them with this little water bottle to get them watered. But yeah, here's the microgreens. They look really good. If it'll focus, come on. There we go. So yeah, those look amazing, and I'm super excited to harvest them and try them out in some salads. And then over here we have the spinach, which is sprouting really well, and the Swiss chard, which is starting to come up, and then the cauliflower and broccoli are killing it. And so far I haven't seen any celery, so I may have done the seeds wrong on that one. As I said in my video last week, this is my first time ever doing this, so I'm completely just experimenting with all this, trying to learn as I go along, see what works, see what doesn't work. So probably did the celery wrong, but yeah, if you haven't seen last week's video, I highly recommend you go check it out. I think it was a lot of fun. There wasn't a lot of talking, mostly just montage background music type stuff, and it was pretty short. So but anyway, yeah, go check out that video if you haven't seen it. And so yeah, that's the update on the indoor garden, and now I'm gonna go make myself some breakfast, and then we'll see what we do after that. So yeah, let's go make some breakfast. So my roommates and I are in the midst of moving, so this is just my apology in advance for the chaos and the mess of this kitchen. So yeah, let's get to it though. That's woo! That was good.
Life is in a stream. The ocean called for you.
We are officially off on the adventure, and as you can see, it is quite hot. As you can see by my cheeks, they are a little bit red. I am sweating, and I'm excited to be heading into the mountains where it's a little bit cooler and to be able to take a river bath and finally use my rice water for my hair. So overall, I'm just really excited to do this. So yep, we got everything packed up and the bed all set back there. Anything else that I need to say? Oh yes, so I am super proud of myself for doing this. I have a fear of being alone with these types of things, and I've never done something like this by myself, so I'm really excited to face that fear and test myself and just put myself out of my comfort zone. I've been trying to do that a lot more recently, and so yeah, I'm just super proud of myself and excited for this. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get to it. Into quite the challenge, actually. I've been driving for like an hour further on the road, and I've passed like 10 more campsites, and they all have fees. So, and the thing is I could go to where my friend and I camped last week, which is free, but the thing is I really want to be next to the river, so I feel like at this point I'm just gonna give in and go back to that first area that I was at. So I think I'm gonna go there. So fun update. I made it back to the campsite I was planning on paying at, and of course it's cash only, and guess who doesn't have cash? This idiot. So, also on top of that, my gas light turned on, so I don't have enough gas to go all the way back to the free campsite. So now I have to go all the way back down the mountain and get gas. And then by the time I would get all the way back to the campsite that's free, it'll already be so late. Since when did camping become so hard? I guess it's just hard when you're not prepared like me, so. Well, we better get going now, and just so we can get back as soon as possible, so. Alright, let's go get gas. So, we're getting gas, and then we'll head back up, and it is 5:30. So we left at 3, and I'm pretty sure we'll get there around like 6:30, so that's fun. But it'll be worth it, so. Let's get back on the road. We have finally made it, just about the time I was guessing, about 6:30, and I found a really good spot. So I'm super duper happy, and let me show you where I am. Beautiful car. There's a fire pit right there. Some lovely trees, and last time I was here, the sun rised over there. So hopefully I will be able to see the sunrise from where I'm sleeping. And I also set up my hammock right here. There were no trees close enough for me to set it up, so I just came up with this idea to hang it from a branch like that, and it works okay, better than nothing at least. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to try and get a fire started so that I can make some dinner.
This time of the year, I can't stop asking why I'm struggling to stay. It's a mystery why I'm here. I guess I'm just too tired of fighting. Would you say? As we're growing older, darling, understand it all. It's me that I'm fighting. Now that I see what is hiding underneath my skin, and I'm always sorry to bring you in my fall. Yeah, with my fall. Like this never end. We have to try and keep the mood up to stay. I know that sometimes we pretend to love each other like we used to, but it's all good in the end. 'Cause as we're growing older, darling, love is growing stronger, 'cause it's me that I'm fighting. Now that I see what is hiding underneath my skin, and I'm always sorry to bring you with my fall. Yeah, it's me that I'm fighting.
So what I made was just a quick concoction of things that I just had around my house. It's kind of hard to see, but there's sweet potato, black beans, some spinach and kale, just some spices, and a little bit of garlic, and some olive oil. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. So that's my dinner. I also have a few snacks in the car if I get hungry, but I'm sure I will. But I'm just gonna relax on the hammock and eat dinner now.
So go ahead and leave it. I don't know what's on your mind, and there's no way I can fix it. Won't you stay?
Well, as we have come to realize, I came very not prepared, and I only brought my water bottle like an idiot. You're supposed to bring a lot of water to drown your fire, and I keep dumping my drinking water on it, but the embers keep flaring back up. So I think I'm gonna go have to ask a camping neighbor if they have any extra water. So wish me luck. Hopefully they have something. Let's go ask. Hello there, sorry to intrude.
Yeah, that's all right.
I just had a quick question. I didn't bring enough water to drown out my fire and it keeps smoking.
Oh,
Do you have any extra water by chance?
yeah.
Thank you.
Yep.
Problem solved. So I think that's gonna wrap it up for the night. I think I'm going to head to sleep now, wake up nice and early for the sunrise, and then we're gonna go take a bath in the river. Super excited for that. But anyway, I will see you in the morning. Good night.
Heart filled with worries, no more. In a world full of sorrows, what for? You watched the world from the place beneath the willow, the willow. So many years, too many tears on your pillow, on your pillow. Out of the darkness, a sound. It all seems so harmless. A silver line. Don't you wait
absolutely wonderful morning. Just relaxing and reading and journaling. And it is so beautiful outside. I am so toasty warm and I just feel so amazing right now. I can't even. It's just so beautiful. But anyway, I think it is now time to go ahead and pack up the car and head down to the river for a bath.